I would say what I love about my job is that every day brings a different challenge. Overcoming those challenges are very rewarding. At a small company, you'll find that many of the employees, they're probably a jack of all trades. And that is one of the roles that I fill. If equipment goes down, I fix it. If new equipment comes in, I set it up. Some days I'm a plumber, some days I'm an auto mechanic. My name is Brian Slafer. I work at PharmAgra Labs in Brevard, North Carolina. I'm a synthetic chemist. I manage the projects for organic synthesis. The molecule that we're making may have never been made before, and it goes to the customer for testing. Now that could be a pharmaceutical that they're putting into clinical trials. It could be a molecule that is used to emit a certain color of light that ends up being incorporated in your TV. We have a building full of problem solvers. 75% of the chemists that work here have their PhD in organic chemistry. Of the remaining 25%, they either have their master's or bachelor's degree in chemistry. Growing up, I've lived in 8 different towns, cities, in 3 different countries on 3 different continents. As a chemist, I think Transylvania County has a natural advantage in drawing chemists that like nature. Brevard more typifies the location that I would escape to for vacation. So those forests, those hiking trails that we used to have to travel to are now our backyard. In terms of beer, I don't know that I've been to a better area for microbreweries, craft breweries in the world. And when I have friends that come from Europe, that come from California to visit, we take them to the breweries, and they absolutely love the tours. What better place could you decide to work than the place that you might choose to go on vacation?